Hi everyone, this is first video in the series of REST API. In this video we will learn why we use REST API. Before starting what is REST API, let's talk about why REST comes to the picture. Long back when we started web development, at that time we had only one application that sends all the data to the browser and the complete page was rendered. But now we have multiple layers like front-end and back-end. Front-end application is the one that is running on our browser and responsible for displaying the data in some cool UI format. Front-end application can be written in frameworks like Angular, React, Vue, or any other client-side technology. The second layer, which is backend. Backend is the server-side application that is running on some server and responsible to provide data to the front-end application. This application contains all the business logic and can be written in Java, .NET or any backend technology. For communication between the front-end and backend or in two applications, REST API are used. REST is very easy, popular and powerful once you understand the way of writing REST APIs. Now we can go through the major benefits we are getting from REST APIs. The first point is way of communication. REST is used for communication between the client, which can be a front end, and a server, which can be a backend, or any two applications. REST tell us how we can communicate and what is the best way of doing it. The second point is REST is lightweight. REST is lightweight because it contains the actual data in JSON or XML format and nothing else than the data which is getting transferred. In comparison of the previous way of communications, the HTML of the complete page or the WSDL file for SOAP APIs was also getting transferred, which is of huge size as compared to the actual data. The third point is stateless. REST is stateless, which means REST does not have any state, or we can say every request is a new request and is not related to any previous request. This is very helpful if we talk about caching. The caching provider can easily identify the request and cache the request. The fourth point is content negotiation. Content negotiation is a mechanism that is used to negotiate the content type of the response. For example, if my frontend uses JSON format and requests for data from backend, and by default the backend returns XML, then content negotiation will handle the situation. In this case, the backend API will send the data in JSON format as the frontend uses JSON format only. So the last point is independent. Yes, REST APIs are independent, which means it does not depend on any programming language. You can write a REST API in Java, .NET, PHP or in any other language. REST API is not dependent on the front end as well, as it is designed to do some specific tasks. So these are the points due to which REST API is so popular. In the next video, we will learn what is REST API.